Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Kanna. This is my new YouTube channel. In this channel, I'm going to teach various programming languages. Now, initially, I will start with very popular and easier programming language is called Python. So, why I choose Python? So Python is a good choice for beginners, those who don't have any coding skills, because it is easy to learn and understand. It's like learning new language that is very clear and simple. And Python is widely used programming language, so there are a lot of resources available to help you learn and practice. Now in this video I will provide a roadmap for learning Python, and I will complete all those topics in my further videos. Here I have listed all the topics we will cover in our Python roadmap, but right now I won't explain each one in detail because it might be hard for beginners to understand all these topics. In my future videos, I will explain each one in simpler way. Thank you.